Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to study business A-level. Begin by mapping the syllabus and grouping topics into themes, then set a weekly plan with focused 2-hour study blocks, alternating reading, note consolidation, and timed practice questions, and use flashcards for key terms and formulas to build recall and confidence. Use mixed study methods to deepen understanding and improve exam readiness. Alternate active reading, concept mapping, and timed past papers in each session, and record yourself explaining models to spot gaps. Prioritize weak topics for extra short sessions, then revisit them with spaced repetition to lock learning and reduce last-minute panic. Adopt a calm, methodical exam approach that boosts marks. Spend the first 5 minutes planning time allocation, outline each answer before writing, and link theory directly to data or case studies. Use command words to guide depth of response, and save 5 minutes at the end to check calculations and clarity so small errors don't cost you.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.